Mimetica has built a strong scientific and regulatory foundation for our lactate ketone esters. We have GRAS status in the US, a novel food dossier in progress in Europe, and robust clinical and safety data. The technology is now validated and ready to move towards real-world use. However, there is a critical barrier. Current formulations have high osmolarity and strong bitterness, which leads to poor tolerability and low adoption. At the same time, regulatory approved serving sizes are lower than the doses used in clinical studies. So the challenge is not efficacy, it is usability. Our project addresses this through an integrated approach. We combine human intake studies, formulation development, and modeling. These three work packages interact closely. Human data informs modeling, modeling guides formulations, and formulations are tested again in humans. The outcome is a complete framework for real-world use. We define validated intake strategies, develop practical formulations, and establish design rules linking formulations to tolerability and effect. This enables a clear path to the market. We start with OTC products in performance and metabolic health and expand into medical nutrition through partnerships. The result is a scalable platform with strong commercial potential, bringing effective metabolic solutions to real life. Thank you for your attention.